Page 52. Unit 6. Short O. O, ot, up. Short O. A. Listen and learn.
Do you remember the orange octopus?
Ah. Ah. This is the ah sound, and this is the letter O. Ah. Octopus. Orange octopus.
Ah. Octopus. Orange octopus.
Page 52. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1.
Fox. Fox.
Fox. Fox.
2.
Log. Log.
Log. Log.
3.
Ox. Ox.
Ox. Ox.
4.
Rod. Rod.
Rod. Rod.
Page 53. C. Listen and read. Then write. 1.
Ox. Ox. Ox.
2.
L. A. G. Log. Log.
3.
R. A. D. Rod. Rod.
4.
F. A. X. Fox. Fox.
Page 53. D. Listen and chant. Then read.
Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Ox, ox, log, log. Ox, ox, log, log. Rod, rod, fox, fox. Rod, rod, fox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Do you remember the orange octopus?
Ah. Ah. This is the ah sound, and this is the letter O. Ah. Octopus. Orange octopus.
Ah. Octopus. Orange octopus.
Fox. Fox.
Fox. Fox.
Log. Log.
Log. Log.
Ox. Ox.
Ox. Ox.
Rod. Rod.
Rod. Rod. Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Rod, log, ox, fox. Ox, ox, log, log. Ox, ox, log, log. Rod, rod, fox, fox. Rod, rod. Fox, fox.
Rod, log, ox, fox.
Rod, log, ox, fox.
Page 54. Short O. Ought. A. Listen and learn.
Ought. Ought.
Ought.
Ought. Pot.
Ought. Pot.
Page 54. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1,
Ought. Pot. Pot.
Ought, pot, pot.
2,
Ought. Hot. Hot.
Ought. Hot. Hot.
3,
Ought. Caught. Caught.
Ought, caught, caught.
4,
Ought. Dot. Dot.
Ought. Dot. Dot.
Page 55. C. Listen and circle the ones that rhyme. 1,
Fox. Pot. Dot.
2,
Hot. Pot. Ox.
3,
Dot. Rod. Caught.
Page 55. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Hot pot caught.
Hot pot caught.
Hot pot.
Hot pot.
Pot caught.
Pot caught.
Hot pot caught.
Hot pot caught.
The hot pot.
The hot pot.
The hot pot is under.
The hot pot is under.
The hot pot is under the cot.
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 Ought. Ought.
Ought. Ought.
Ought. Pot.
Ought. Pot.
Ought. Pot. Pot.
Ought, pot, pot.
Ought. Hot. Hot.
Ought. Hot. Hot.
Ought. Caught. Caught.
Ought, caught, caught.
Ought. Dot. Dot.
Ought. Dot. Dot.
Hot pot caught.
Hot pot caught.
Hot pot.
Hot pot.
Pot caught.
Pot caught.
Hot pot caught.
Hot pot caught.
The hot pot.
The hot pot.
pot is under the cot.
The hot pot is under the cot.
The hot pot is under the cot.
The hot pot is under the cot.
Page 56. Short O. Up. A. Listen and learn.
Up. Up.
Up. Up.
Up. Top.
Up. Top.
Page 56. B. Listen, point, and repeat. 1.
Up. Top. Top.
Up. Top. Top.
2.
Up. Mop. Mop.
Up. Mop. Mop.
3.
Up. Hop. Hop.
Up. Hop. Hop.
4.
Up. Pop. Pop.
Up. Pop. Pop.
Page 57. C. Listen and number. 1.
Mop. Mop.
2.
Pop. Pop.
3.
Top. Top.
4.
Hop. Hop.
Page 57. E. Listen and chant. Then read.
Pop, top, mop, hop.
Pop. Top. Mop. Hop.
Pop, top, mop, hop.
Pop. Top. Mop. Hop.
Top, top, hop, hop.
Top. Top. Hop. Hop.
Mop, mop, pop, pop.
Mop. Mop. Pop. Pop.
Pop, top, mop, hop.
Pop. Top. Mop. Hop.
Up. Up.
Up. Up.
Up. Top.
Up. Top.
Up. Top. Top.
Up, top, top.
Up. Mop. Mop.
Up. Mop. Mop.
Up. Hop. Hop.
Up, hop, hop.
Up. Pop. Pop.
Up. Pop. Pop.
Pop, top, mop, hop.
Pop. Top. Mop. Hop.
Pop, top, mop, hop.
Pop. Top. Mop. Hop.
Top, top, hop, hop.
Top. Top. Hop. Hop.
Mop, mop, pop, pop.
Mop. Mop.
hop, hop. Pop, top, mop, hop. Hop, top, mop, hop.
Page 58. Short O. O, ot, up. B. Listen and write.
top, top. Dot, dot. Cot, cot. Hop, hop. Pop, pop. Hot, hot. Pot, pot. Mop, mop. Now try these. Got, got. Bop, bop.
Page 59. Story. C. Look and listen. Read along. The Fox. 1.
The fox has a hot pot.
2.
He stands on a log and uses a rod.
3.
The fish hops. It doesn't like the rod.
4.
The fox hops too. He gets wet. Sight words. Stands. Doesn't. 2. Gets.